cow eats grass. The cow has a long tongue. Horse. The horse lives in the field. The horse can weigh up to 550 kilograms. The horse eats grass. Pig. The pig eats all kinds of food. The pig cannot bend his neck upward. The pig is a heavy animal. Chicken. The hen lays eggs. The hen lives in the farm. The hen doesn't fly. Sheep. The sheep's skin is covered in wool. The sheep live in groups. The sheep eats grass. Pigeon. The pigeon flies very fast. The pigeon symbolizes peace. The pigeon has very well-developed eyesight. Rooster. The rooster sings at daybreak. The rooster lives with the hens. The rooster is larger than the hen. Peacock. The peacock has large colored feathers. The peacock can fly short distances. The peacock eats seeds and fruit. Chick. The chicken is the baby hen. The chicken is born from an egg. The little chicken is yellow. Duckling. The little duck is yellow. The duck is an aquatic bird. The duckling is very curious. Cow. Woohoo! Horse. Woohoo! Sheep. Woohoo! Now try with 3 animals. Peacock. Woohoo! Cow. Pigeon. Woohoo! Good. Now try with 4 animals. Pig. Woohoo! Pigeon. Woohoo! Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Chicken. Peacock. Pig. Excellent. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion has a long mane. The lion eats meat. Elephant. The elephant is the largest animal in the jungle. The elephant has very large ears and a long trunk. The elephant's brain can weigh up to 5 kilograms. Monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. The monkey is a very intelligent animal. The monkey has a great ability to jump. Bear. The bear is a big animal. The bear eats fruits and roots from trees. The bear can run fast if it needs to. Tiger. The tiger has brown skin and spots. The tiger eats meat. The tiger is the largest feline in the world. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in the water. The crocodile has very hard skin. The crocodile can live up to 80 years. Hippo. The hippopotamus lives in the water most of the time. The hippopotamus grows throughout its whole life. The hippopotamus has a huge mouth. Giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck. The giraffe eats leaves. The giraffe is yellow with spots. Gorilla. The gorilla is part of the ape family. The gorilla moves around on 4 legs. The gorilla is very strong. Snake. The snake has a long body and no legs. The snake can move very fast. The snake changes its skin when it grows. Hippo. Snake. Monkey. Now try with 3 animals. Crocodile. Tiger. Giraffe. Woohoo! Good. Now try with 4 animals. Crocodile. Woohoo! Giraffe. Woohoo! Tiger. Woohoo! Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Crocodile. Woohoo! Giraffe. Woohoo! Gorilla. Woohoo! Eagle. The eagle is a bird that has a large, powerful, and pointed beak. The eagle has an extraordinary vision. The eagle is a large bird. Condor. The condor is a large black bird with white feathers around its neck and on its wings. The condor is one of the largest birds in the world. The condor eats meat. Crow. The crow is a bird of black color. The crow usually lives 10 to 15 years. The crow's size is between 52 and 69 centimeters in length. Flamingo. The flamingo is a bird with long legs and a long neck. The flamingo is a pink bird. The flamingo flies with its legs and neck fully extended. Heron. The heron is a skinny and tall bird that eats fish. The heron lives in trees and lays its eggs there. The heron has a beautiful white plumage. Seagull. The seagull is a bird that usually lives near the sea. The seagull has black, gray, or white feathers. The seagull is a very intelligent bird. Hawk. The hawk is a bird that has thin, pointy wings. The hawk flies at extremely high speeds. The female hawk is larger than the male. Parrot. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Pelican. The pelican is a bird famous for its huge beak. The pelican eats fish. The pelican can fly for a long time, but it is difficult for it to move on land. Toucan. The toucan is a bird of black color with a beak of very bright colors. The toucan has a very long beak. The toucan has small, short wings. whale. The whale is an ocean animal that is as big as 25 meters. The whale feeds on small animals living in the sea. The whale can hold its breath up to an hour. Seal. The seal is a fun and playful animal that lives in the sea. The seal swims at high speed. The seal has a fat skin to protect from the cold. Snowshoe hare. The snowshoe hare is a very fast animal. The snowshoe hare eats plants, branches, and leaves. The hair of the snowshoe hare becomes white in winter. Sea lion. The sea lion is a very lazy animal, sleeping all day. The sea lion lives in groups near the sea. The sea lion eats fish, octopus, and squid. Walrus. The walrus has very big teeth. The walrus has a thick skin to protect itself from the cold. The walrus can dive up to 90 meters underwater. Orca. The orca belongs to the dolphin family. The orca eats fish, squids, and marine mammals. The orca lives in cold waters. Polar bear. The polar bear is white and lives in cold climates. The male polar bear weighs 680 kilos. The polar bear eats meat. Penguin. The penguin is a type of bird that doesn't fly. The penguin eats fish. The penguin lives in cold areas. Reindeer. The reindeer has large antlers. The reindeer eats leaves and herbs. The reindeer uses its hooves to find food in the snow. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox lives in very cold areas. The Arctic fox has a white coat to protect themselves from the cold. The Arctic fox has very small ears. Fly. The fly is an insect that flies, and its eyes let him see in 360 degrees. The fly is an insect that lives between 15 and 25 days. The fly produces a very particular buzzing sound when moving its wings. Mosquito. The mosquito is an insect that feeds on the blood of other animals. When the mosquito attacks, it leaves your skin itching. The mosquito breeds in hot weather. Bee. The bee produces honey. The bee is a black and yellow insect. The bee lives in a community where there is always a queen. Ant. The ant is an insect that lives on land. The ant is an insect with 6 legs that can lift heavy leaves. The ant can live up to 2 weeks underwater. Grasshopper. The grasshopper is an insect from the family of the crickets. The grasshopper is an insect that jumps around. The grasshopper has wings that allow him to fly. Centipedes. The centipedes is an insect with many legs. They don't really have 100 feet, but 60. The centipede is a very long insect that moves slowly. Dragonfly. The dragonfly is a flying insect. The dragonfly has 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings. The dragonfly eats flies and mosquitoes. Cricket. The cricket is an insect that can jump long distances. The male cricket is an insect that can emit a strong song. The cricket sings more when the weather is hot. Beetle. The beetle is an insect with a hard shell. The beetle usually has wings to fly. The beetle has an antenna on its head. Spider. Spiders are 8-legged insects. The spiders weave their web to catch their food. Most spiders have 8 eyes. Chicken. Woohoo! Pigeon. Woohoo! Seahorse. Woohoo! Now try with 3 animals. Rabbit. Woohoo! Gorilla. Mouse. Woohoo! Good. Now try with 4 animals. Cow. Woohoo! Duckling. Snail. Hippo. Woohoo! Giraffe. Woohoo! Good. Now try with 4 animals. Crab. Woohoo! Octopus. Woohoo! Crocodile. Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Rabbit. Woohoo! Bear. Woohoo! Crab. Woohoo! Owl. The owl is a bird that flies at night. The owl is a bird that can turn its head all over in surprising ways. The owl has exceptional vision. That's why it hunts at night. Woodpecker. The woodpecker has a strong beak that can make a hole in a tree. The woodpecker eats insects, worms, and larvae. The woodpecker has a bright orange, purple, and green plumage. Beaver. The beaver is an aquatic animal. The beaver eats barks, branches, and tree leaves. The beaver is the world's second largest rodent. Deer. The deer is a brown animal with soft hair who lives in the woods. The deer has thin legs, halved hooves, and a long neck. The male deer has big horns. Koala. The koala is an animal that lives in trees and carries out their activities at night. The koala sleeps 20 hours a day. The koala eats mainly leaves. Raccoon. The raccoon is an animal that lives in the forest, near rivers. The raccoon eats frogs and fruits, a varied diet. The raccoon has gray hair with black stripes on its tail. Bat. The bat is the only mammal capable of flight. The bat sleeps by hanging from trees or rocks. The bat flies mostly at night. Panda. The panda is a white bear with black stripes. The panda eats bamboo plants. The panda is a solitary and peaceful animal. Skunk. The skunk is a small animal that's black and white. The skunk, when threatened, emits a strong foul odor. The skunk eats eggs, fruits, and small animals. Fox. The fox is an animal that looks like a small dog. The fox has a thin muzzle and a bushy tail. The fox is a solitary animal. Seahorse. The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position. Crab. The crab has many legs and 2 claws. The crab is a funny animal to look at, as it moves very quickly. The crab has a hard shell. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds. Swordfish. The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea. Starfish. The starfish is a strange animal that lives in the sea and is star-shaped. The starfish can be of different colors. The starfish looks like a plant, but it's an animal. Blowfish. The blowfish swells by drinking water or air when it's attacked. The blowfish is highly toxic to almost any animal that eats it. The blowfish is blue. Octopus. The octopus is an animal that lives in the sea and has 8 arms. The octopus has a very sticky skin. The octopus has 3 hearts. Stingray. Stingray. The stingray usually lives near the coast. The stingray tends to blend with the sand. Shark. The shark is a very big and strong animal that lives in the sea. The shark has a flap on top of it. The shark has many big and sharp teeth in his mouth. Sea turtle. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. Dog. The dog lives at home. The dog wags its tail when it's happy. The dog likes to eat meat. Cat. The cat lives in the house. The cat likes to drink milk. The cat has soft fur. Mouse. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse has a long tail. The mouse is a rodent. Canary. The male canary sings. The canary is usually yellow. The canary eats seeds. Rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. The rabbit eats carrots. The rabbit has 2 long ears. Snail. The snail moves slowly. The snail has a shell that protects it. The snail has 2 antennas that guide it. Iguana. The iguana is green. The iguana lives in humid places. The iguana lives in the trees. Parrot. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Frog. The frog moves by jumping. The frog has sticky skin. The frog lives in humid climates. Turtle. The turtle has a very hard shell. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle eats vegetables. Canary. Dog. Mouse. Now try with 3 animals. Frog. Cat. Turtle. Good. Now try with 4 animals. Frog. Canary. Dog. Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Rabbit. Rabbit. Cat. Excellent. Now try with the sounds of the animals. Cat. Frog. Now try with 3 animals. Dog. Parrot. Good. Now try with 4 animals. Frog. Frog. Very good. Now try with 5 animals. Frog. Dog.